Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add size charts to your Shopify product page. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to log in into our account at shopify.com. So I'll be showing you two methods on how to add size charts. So the first method is via the product itself. So if you need to do here is you need to go to products, and in here we want to choose our product. Like for example, we have this product that is called shirt, and from here what we need to do is just basically by the way, this is the simplest form that we could do here. So upload a new photo, add your chart here, just click on select. And from here, what we need to do is we need to basically save the product. Now, once you've done that, you need to go back in here and you want to go ahead and preview it into your store. Now, in this case, it's going to show this the actual chart here or the shirt, and from there, that's about it. So this is the simplest form, but I'm going to explain here. This is not going to be looking professional. So it means it might distract other people, and you have to manually update all your products to upload one specific chart. So the other way, or the second method I'll be showing you next, is via a very simple addition on a specific page on your store. Now, first thing that we need to do here is we need to close our store here. And what we need to do is add a page first. So go to your online store here, go to pages. And under pages, what we need to do next is we need to add a page at the top right. Now, in this case, we want to name this as size chart or charts. So if you have multiple of those charts, go ahead and enter here. Like for example, shirt sizes. I'm going to say this is sizes, and from there let's go ahead and press on enter again and add an image. So go ahead and click on insert image, choose your photo. So if you haven't uploaded your image here before, go ahead and upload those photo first, but in this case we have the upload file here. So go ahead, in this case I already have an image here. Let's just choose this one. So in this case we want to say sizes. And from here, product size is going to be product image. So choose the appropriate format here. So I'm contented with product. No, not this one. So maybe a product itself, product image. Click on insert image. And from here, if you want to add other images as well, like for example, shoe sizes, if you have shoes, and in your products, you could go ahead and just insert your image, same thing. But since we only want to add a size chart for our shirt here, we could go ahead and basically save our page. So click on the save at the bottom right. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to edit our online store. So go ahead and click on online store here, click on customize. And from here, what we need to do is we need to add a block. So first, we need to change this from home page. You want to click on this one, go to products, click on it, and from here, click on default product. Now, in this case, it's going to showcase the default product. So whether you're accessing any product on your store, it's going to basically edit that specific page. Now, in this case, what we need to do, so first, I'm going to delete this one. This is from a previous section here. Just to give you an example. So in this case, we want to go to the product information section here, which includes the product itself, the buy buttons, and a lot more. So next that we want to do, click on add block. Now in this case, we want to choose the option for collapsible row. And from here, we want to change the icon. Maybe we want to use price tag icon here, just to give you an example. You also have change the heading, like for example, size charts. And from here, we need to do is we need to click on the select page option. Now in this case, let's go ahead and choose the size charts page that we just recently created and just click on select. And from here, we need to do is just save our page or our website. Now in this case, we want to go ahead and preview our site. Let's go ahead and exit this one. Let's go ahead and click on the eye icon here, view your store. And from here, we need to choose the product. So let's go ahead and go to, for example, we want to go to shoe. And from here, you should be able to see the size charts option. Go ahead and maximize this one. As you can see, we now have our sizes. So whether you're accessing a different product here, it doesn't matter. So for example, I'm going to go to sticker here, go to size charts, go ahead and open this one. I'll be able to see this sizes no matter what product. So it means you could go ahead and consolidate your product sizes in one page, and from there you'll be able to basically view it anywhere on your product pages. And that's about it. So this one is pretty simple. Just follow the steps and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.